Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You must be level 50 and complete the story quest chain to begin. Complete the last quest objective inside the fortress to unlock the gate. Gather 3 raid keys from named elites across the region before attempting the unlock. Form the unlocking party with at least one player who has already cleared the raid previously. Start the unlock sequence during the 2-hour window that opens at midnight server time. Coordinate voice comms for timing and confirmations. Approach the central pedestal and assign 3 players to insert the keys sequentially. Place 3 raid keys into the pedestal within 90 seconds to avoid reset. Step back when the pedestal hums and wait for the sigil to appear above it. Activate the sigil after the keys are inserted to start the ritual properly. Be ready to fight immediately because a guardian spawns when the ritual activates. Defeat the guardian within 12 minutes to secure the gate and trigger the raid entrance. Bring a full 8-player group for best success and balance of roles. Item level 300 is recommended for a smooth guardian fight and faster clears. Assign 2 tanks, 3 damage dealers, and 3 healers before you begin the unlock. Stock 10 health potions and 2 resistance elixirs to outlast the guardian mechanics. Rotate crowd control every 3 minutes to manage spawned ads and prevent enraged timers. Keep voice comms open and call interrupts and cooldowns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.